All viewers and dear students, once again, Good Islam is in front of you. Today we are going to learn MCQs about for the engineering test. Let's come. We start question number 81. F Z is any complex number then Z plus Z is conjugate is equal to what? A is real number, number second, imaginary part, number C, both of A and B, D, none of these. So the correct answer is real number, real part. For example, if we find the solution of this one, if Z is any number x plus iota y, if we are finding Z bar is equal to x plus iota y, so the answer is x minus iota y because sign of plus is changed into negative form. Here plus is required, so Z plus Z conjugate is equal to, if we are both 8, so the result will be equal to what? Result will be equal to real part. So both are cancelled. One is positive, one is negative. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus x we get 2x. 2x is any real part. This will be the real part. So the correct answer is part A. Question number 82. If you change the question here, if Z is any complex number, 82, Z is, what is the value of Z and minus Z? So the first part is real part and second is imaginary part. Third is both A and B. D, none of these. The correct answer is B, imaginary parts. So that is already property Z and Z minus bar is equal to imaginary part. How? So if we find the solution here, if Z is any complex number x plus iota, and also we are find x minus iota y conjugate, so this will be x minus iota y, Z and minus Z. Z minus Z bar is equal to x plus iota y minus x minus iota y. So look here, x plus iota y minus, so the sign is changed. If we open the bracket, so the sign is also changed. Minus x minus a minus plus iota y. So here is the real part of cancel. So we get iota y plus iota y, we get 2 iota y. There is imaginary part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channels. Once again, step by step, we will go. Thanks once again.